Hey guys, Levi here with another video. Got a little something special today. A couple of folders. Two of them that I really wanted. One I couldn't even get on Blade HQ, but my guy came through for me again, Corey Anger from Snap-on here in Wilmington, North Carolina, and he's a certified dealer. I had one knife in mind that I really wanted, that I was kind of curious about, and I liked holding it on the truck, and I was like, man, it's kind of nice. It feels good. It's pretty slim. It feels good in the pockets. It's just one of those knives. It feels like it's really talking to me. And another one, because I'm just a big, edge guy. I like some knives just a little bit more extreme looking. I'm kind of just doing a double knife unboxing, and this is going to lead into a review down the road and see how I like them. Let's see what we got here. Let's start out with the first one. I was kind of stoked about this one because, well, you couldn't even get it on Blade HQ. They're sold out. They've been sold out. Anyway, let's get to the knife here. All right. Now, I haven't carried it yet because I want to show it to you guys first. I feel like I should do that, So here we are. This is the bailout. This one's the OD green aluminum scaled bailout with the skull crusher, the glass breaker. And we all know the bailout has a Tonto blade. Yeah, I was pretty excited about this when it came out. I was really excited because it's M4 steel. So this is an up there steel, just real nice light knife. It really fits the hand. I really like how you can really grip up on that, choke up on her. I like it's got the axis lock, of course. I like the little scaling done on the scales with the aluminum. The texture is really good. Let's get a look at this other little feature it has. Obviously, I'm not doing the double video today. But this thing's got some tech look to it. Okay, the lanyard hole, the deep pocket clip. I like the way the design is on that glass breaker. Just a very sharp looking knife indeed. Here you can see what I'm talking about on those scales. Very sharp looking knife, and a very sharp knife for sure. And I'm real excited about the M4 steel. I mean, that's a very high grade super steel. Check out that gnarly grind on that Tonto. Big old chisel grind. Blade material is CPM M4. Blade style is Tonto. Blade grind flat, finish is gray, edge type plain, handle length 4.7 inches, handle width 1 inch, handle thickness 0.39 inches, handle material aluminum. Color is green. They call it forest green. It's a little darker than OD green, so we'll call it forest green. In this picture, it looks kind of OD greenish, just because probably my swamp lights. Weight at 2.7 ounces, right and left hand, so it's ambidextrous. And lock type is axis lock, brand Benchmade. Okay, so now let's talk about the blade steel here. Okay, let's talk about CPM M4. All right, Crucible Industries came up with this. This is a much superior steel to most steels as far as being a tough steel. Okay, and edge retention. You're going to lose a few things in the way of corrosion resistance, but that's nothing that a little keeping your blade clean and oiled isn't going to take care of. Now, this one does have a bit of a finish to it. I don't know if it's DLC or what it is, but it's probably going to wear off. But, if I maintain this and, keep it nice and clean and keep ream oil on it, or a good blue oil, this thing should be all right. Okay. But I'm going to gain a very tough blade, very good edge retention. You know, she should last a while like that. Now also, you know, there's a lot of steels out there that are really good that, you know, it's probably going to beat out as far as that goes, and that's going to be M390, S90V, you know, all great steels, but I got to see for myself, you know. I mean, I'm hearing things about M4, and I'd like to know. So I'd like to see how she's going to do. But Crucible Industries is probably nailed it on the super steel again. All right. Now I got one more for you guys. Let's check it out. I've been in the kind of the Benchmade mood. Been kind of digging these knives, you know. Now this is the one I've been wanting the most for a while until that one came out. Again, this one is updated with the glass breaker. Oh, there we go. When your forehead's so big that you use it as background to help focus. But you know, that's a slightly different design of the bill out there, which I really like. I think it's more refined. Let's see what else we got here. Now, this one's a little different. This is very common already. This is an older version of this knife. And I've always wanted one. So what do you guys think? All right. Got us an Osborne 940. Another Benchmade classic here. Also green. I'm partial to green. But I just love that blade profile. I love the finish. I mean, real sexy, real sharp. That handle has a lot of 3D to it, but I mean, this thing's not thick at all. It's got a lot of 3D, but it looks bulky. But man, that's not too bad at all. Another thing I like about this, pretty little titanium spine spacer going on. That looks really killer. Purple and green always goes good together. Okay. Now they got the new Osborne 9400. That thing looks really cool. This thing, I'm going to have to oil these guys up so I can get my nice little flick to them. It's just a little tight, but I don't want no play in the blade, but I like to be able to just open it right up like my bug out. I got my bug out just kind of chilling. No blade play. Got her nice and tight and oiled up. But I mean, just a flick of the wrist, you know. I don't have to, you know, sling it out like guys like to do. It's just and it's open. Easy peasy. Just a flick of the wrist. That's the way I like mine. So I fine tune them to that. Also, you got to, you know, lube them just right. But love the bug out still. It's going to be a folder review here soon, hopefully. But back to the Osborne. Again, loving the Moby Dick looking. Just looks like a stupid whale to me. Like, anyway. Digging the profile. Digging the handle a lot. And it's got a nice little texture to that handle, as you guys know. Most of you guys probably own this knife. I'm just now getting to it. I just buy so many knives and I'm like, oh, I'll buy that one later, I'll buy that one later. And then I finally just, you know, get it. Got that good S30V steel. Probably isn't no M4 by Warren Osborne. It's pretty much become a staple in the Benchmade family. You know, very popular knife for a lot of reasons. I mean, we got great ergonomics, okay? Great blade profile. Not very fat. It's actually I consider a very slim knife. It's got a lot of sexy components to it. The purple titanium spine with the custom ridges, axis lock design. This thing's great. I mean, I just can't wait to carry it every day and see what, how useful it becomes. Like I said, I'm gonna have to probably adjust it to my liking, but anyway, let's get some specs here. All right, we got overall length at 7.87 inches, blade length at 3.4 inches. Pretty good sized blade. Blade thickness is 0.12. All right, material is S30V. Okay, we got a flat blade grind, satin finish. Handle length is right around 4.47 inches. Thickness is at 0.41 inches. Like I said, pretty thin. Okay, pretty slim line. We got a aluminum handle. I like to say it like that. I know we're in America and we don't say aluminum, but my dumb ass thought that aluminum and aluminium were two different things. And I realized that British people say things stupid. Just kidding, Ross. Just kidding. That's just a little poke at channel that you guys should be watching in the UK. His name is Ross, and it's called the Ichabod Dipper or the Ichabod Dipper. So quick shout out to Ross, who's been really good on my channel, and I really enjoy his channel. I don't smoke cigarettes or anything or pipes, but really good channel to go and hang out, and like if you're doing something and just have something on the background, this guy's just hanging out talking and smoking a pipe. You can almost smell the tobacco through your your listening device. It's actually really cool, and he's just a really cool dude and brings a nice little light and humor to a little bit of something to this gloom and doom world we live in. But it's just cool to just kind of go in there and just learn about tobacco and the hobby of tobacco and pipe smoking. So throwing that out there, how to make a joke towards our neighbors across the pond there. But anyway, cheers, mate. Back to the knife, guys. Aluminum handle, scales. This thing's really light. I mean, she don't weigh a whole lot. Let me see if I can pull this back up. Yeah, just a little bit more than the bailout not the bug out, the bailout at 2.9 ounces. So just under 3 ounces. Very light EDC, great for everyday carry. Okay. Don't let me find something to embellish this with. If I find any titanium screws, I'm getting them. All right. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that quick little video. I know we knocked out 2 knives. Sorry, no clones. Oh, wait. Hold on. Something came in the mail today. I wonder if it's a imposter. And I wonder which one of these 2 knives it's an imposter too. I'm going to do another video. I'm not going to do it on this one. So catch